Welcome back, everyone. It's Dylan with Sun Ski Sports, and today I'm joined by Megan, and we're going to be going over some more accessories on the packing list. The first accessory we're going to be going over today is going to be some goggles. Some quick basics. They'll all come with a lens. Most will be having a tint to it. This will help differentiate the colors in the snow, give a little bit more contrast, make it easier to see some objects in there. As well as a strap on the back to secure it around your head and the helmet. This is super important, that way they don't fly off and you don't lose them on the snow. When it comes to my personal pick for goggles, I usually go with the Smith's 4D Mag. It's a nice big lens, fits my huge head, as well as it has a nice downward slope on the bottom, gives you a little bit extra peripheral vision. Another feature is they got Smith's Chroma Pop technology, which helps differentiate colors, give you a better in-depth detail of what's in the snow and where you can ski. What would your pick be, Megan?
So I picked the Giro Ella. It is a women's specific goggle. It also comes with a low light lens for overcast and snowy conditions. It is also over the glasses compatible. It has this little cutout here, so if you do have prescription frames, they'll fit right inside of that. I also love that it is a cylindrically cut lens. I personally have astigmatism and spherical lenses don't work well with my vision. So I definitely encourage you to try on different lenses, different frame styles, and see what works best for you. So in addition to goggles, a helmet is an absolute necessity on the mountain. All helmets are going to have some type of foam construction to protect your head. They are going to have a chin strap to secure it around your head. And most of them will have a dial in the back to help adjust it to your specific head size. I personally would go with the Giro Envy. This one is also a women's specific fit. It comes with really awesome features like the ventilation system in the top for climate control, this quick release goggle strap to secure your goggles right there. And I really love the magnetic clip right here. It's super easy if you're wearing gloves. Sometimes this can be kind of difficult. It literally just clips right in. What was your pick, Dylan?
So personally, I like to go with a Smith helmet. That way it matches up with my goggles. A nice, smooth, clean look across the front also helps with ventilation and airflow, helping reduce with any moisture and fogginess of those goggles. For my helmet though, I go with Smith's Vantage. It has nice dual ventilation control, allowing you to adjust that climate control option, give you a little bit of a cooler helmet on any given day. As well, it also comes with a nice moisture wicking liner, keeps your head dry, keeps your head warm. Another cool feature is it comes with Smith's Pod integration on the back, so you can unzip the ear flaps here, add some music to your mountain day, and have a nice experience overall.
Thanks for joining us on the goggles and helmets today. Stay tuned for more on the ski and snowboard packing list.